Dave, the big banks are getting away with murder in the penalties they charge people to get out of their mortgages. Tell us exactly what they're doing.
Well, effectively what the big banks do is when they calculate your mortgage penalty, rather than using your contract rate, they have some different ways of using the posted rate that they offered at the time you got your penalty, and this is specific to fixed rate mortgages. So what that allows them to do is increase penalties by a factor of 4 or 5 times. So what would be a $2,000 penalty on a $250,000 mortgage at a non-bank lender might be an $8,000 or a $10,000 penalty at a big 5 bank.
Now, how often do you find people are breaking their mortgages midstream before maturity?
It's difficult to give a national number because people don't report this information, but it's fairly widely accepted that about a third of borrowers, for one reason or another, end up breaking their mortgage midterm.
Okay, so it's massively important then to find out what kind of a penalty would be charged if I have to break this mortgage and make that a factor in choosing which lender you deal with. Is that not true?
Absolutely, but unfortunately about 2/3 of Canadians walk into the bank that they've dealt with, most of them since they were kids, and say, I've been such a loyal customer for so long, I'm sure you guys will give me a great deal. I need a mortgage, and where do I sign?
All right, so just to recap what you said earlier, it's the alternative lenders have much lower, more fair mortgage breakage penalties.
Yes, the alternative lenders, for one thing, don't have their own sales forces, so they need people like me to recommend them, and they know that I do my homework. So if they're going to warrant being recommended by independent mortgage planners, then they have to make sure that they offer terms and conditions that are fair.
All right, but the bottom line lesson is ask about the penalty before you sign the mortgage.
In detail.
Thanks, Dave.